We are live from Electronica India 2022 from Greater Noida, and I am with Mr. Dileep Jain, CEO of Rajguru Electronics. Welcome, sir.
Hi.
My first question would be about the technologies that you are displaying at Electronica 2022 fair.
See, basically we are displaying many things here. First is High-Links products are there, which is DC-DC and AC-DC converters. Then we have our own LCDs, RG LCDs. Then we have Diin and Waveshare ka LCDs, which are like the HMI LCD and HDMI LCDs. Then we have our own manufacturing things, ELE, which we are promoting lot nowadays. We have started this manufacturing in 2020. And now almost 100 products we are manufacturing in India. So we are promoting this as well. Then we have our own printer, Rongta printer. So these are the things we are promoting here.
Okay, so sir, do you want to talk about the technologies that currently under your pipeline, which are planning to innovate or like further down the 5 lines?
Yeah. So basically, we are doing is that we have started this manufacturing in 2020, and now we have almost got the 100 products. Initially, we started for academia things. Now we are focusing on industries also, and now government is also giving so much of leverage and all those things are there. So we are taking the opportunity, to produce make in India products. Next is now just we are doing assembly of the products. Next in line is manufacturing of PCB. Maybe down the line 2-3 years back afterwards, we'll have our own PCB manufacturing here.
Right. So my next question would be like, after 2 years, almost after straight 2 years after pandemic, Electronica is happening again, and so my first question would be, this exhibition, what are your expectations from this exhibition, and what will be your anticipation for the industry as well as for the visitors?
See, basically what is happening now, the connection has gone. See, we were meeting online, but there was no connection was there. So now with Electronica again, we will meet people, we'll connect with the people, and we will meet new customers also, new people also. So because now government is taking a lot of initiative for electronics. It's like they are, even if you must have heard about ESDM, their government is expecting about 120 billion in 2025. They are expecting some 13 million job and something about 2.5% of GDP through that ESDM manufacturing. So government is doing their things, and as we are into this electronic field, we are expecting a lot of things to happen in next few years.
Okay. So like we have been suffering, the whole world was suffering from semiconductor chip shortage, and we have witnessing it that it is it is getting loosening up. So what are your expectations that it will affect how it on Indian electronics industry?
See, it has affected a lot because the prices of products has gone up because of the semiconductor pricing up. But the best part was the market has not panicked. They were doing their manufacturing things. They were managing things. And now what is happening is now again that manufacturing semiconductor ka things is getting on a normal things.
Right.
So once it is getting normal, and again we are now, you must have heard about this Vendetta and Foxconn ka things few days back. So if we are manufacturing in India, it is going to be a very good thing for India. Now what is happening is we are manufacturing products, but for raw material we are still dependent on China. So once that manufacturing of semiconductor is happening here, our dependency on China will be zero. And now since we have this, if you see our import chart, second line is electronics. So now if that is there in manufacturing in India, so we'll avoid this. We'll have much more of export rather than import. So it will be good for your country.
So, I mean, what I have felt that few years back, almost a decade back, nobody has ever imagined to, set up a semiconductor fab in India. Yes, so now things are finally, getting into a positive trajectory. So how much reality do you see in the efforts that has been made up by the government to set up a fab in India?
It's like government is doing it. There are like things are there which is like we can see now. Reality is like within a 2 years, 3 years, you will find someone who is manufacturing semiconductor in India, right, in Gujarat plant. We already have lot of things where we are manufacturing passive components. Right. So now again, if semiconductor is we are manufacturing, it will be like, see, the government is doing everything what they can. They are giving PLI scheme is there. There are a lot of other schemes are there where you can have investment things are there. Even we are planning something, PCB manufacturing, which will have huge investment. So that time also we'll work on a government scheme. I have one meeting there afterwards to work with on a software company. So things are getting it since, and I'm sure government is doing best, and we are going to get a better result in few years.
So, sir, just for our viewers, would you like to tell us Rajguru Electronics, the industry that it deals with? What are the industry segments that Rajguru Electronics deals with?
So basically, there is a GSM-based IoT industries there, GSM-based industries there, sensors are there, and there are many more things are there where we are catering the all. Actually, our aim is each and everything for in electronics.
Okay.
So we are trying to capture all the industries, and whatever their requirements are, we will produce and give it to them.
So one-stop solution is Rajguru Electronics. Okay, right. So, sir, anything you would like to add or just like to say for our viewers?
Yes, we want to, like as I told you, we have started manufacturing, and we want support from the people to accept those products. We are trying our best to give the quality product, ROHS goods. So basically, we want even government is initiative things where they want Indian manufacturing products in their government tender or something like that. So same way, I want support from people that to accept the Indian manufacturing products.
Right. So this was Mr. Dileep Jain, CEO of Rajguru Electronics. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you. Okay.